over.
Are you happy with this?
On the street will see his face, Amanda.
Are you good with
Everyone
this?
will see his face.
This is all you. Are you good with this?
Amanda's going to get a mirror.
I love it. You
Where?
are so funny.
This is what
You
happens.
look like Rambo, dude.
This is what happens when you have a
Right?
good month.
Yeah.
Ew, you have black
You let kids
lipstick
color your
on
face.
your tooth.
Hey, get his teeth.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, get his
His
teeth.
teeth.
You need
Get
to
his teeth.
They're dark anyway. Go ahead.
and get his nostrils.
Here, whiten my teeth with that.
I want the
Go
cross
How
on
Just
about
do
straight.
it.
the ears? Get the ears.
Oh my God. Does this come off?
Yeah, it comes
No.
out.
Chris, that's practically a tattoo.
Take it off. You got it on the
my
cup.
You just got tattooed.
No. Get his nose.
All right,
No,
are we-
Keelan, get his teeth.
Are we kind of
Get
done?
his teeth. Get his
I think
teeth.
we're done.
Are we kind of done
Caitlin,
with
hey,
this?
Caitlin. That's enough, Caitlin.
Caitlin.
Caitlin, stop.
Stand.
You all done?
It's done.
Do his teeth. Oh, he has some on your teeth.
Now, Caitlin, hey, Caitlin.
There's a bear.
I want to see you, Caitlin. Hey,
Chris didn't even feel
point to his face and say, ta-da!
Ta-da. Oh, you have some on your tooth.
Caitlin, you gotta post it.
Yeah, it's on your tooth.
A black tooth.
Yeah. Looky. Oh, we
Stand
should
right
get
next to
your
him for a
mom.
picture, Caitlin.
Oh, we should go get your mom, Miranda. No, she's gonna
Say
go.
ta-da.
Where? It's okay. We got her on
Caitlin,
video.
thank you very much. This was wonderful. I
Here you
enjoyed
go.
this.